Imagine her heart pounding with anticipation as she crosses the Champ de Mars, the green expanse that cradles this towering structure. She lifts her gaze to the top, her eyes tracing the intricate latticework that stretches towards the sky. Built over a century ago, the Eiffel Tower is a testament to the city's rich history. Conceived as a temporary structure for the 1889 Paris Exposition, it has since become a timeless symbol of France. The traveler steps into the elevator, her heart fluttering as it ascends. She gazes out the glass windows, watching as the city shrinks beneath her. She emerges onto the viewing platform, the chill of the wind a stark contrast to the warmth of her excitement. Below her, the city of Paris unfolds like a beautiful tapestry. From this vantage point, she sees the Seine River, winding its way through the city like a silver ribbon. She spots the familiar landmarks, the Louvre, Notre Dame, the Champs-Élysées, each a jewel in the city's crown. She takes a moment to drink in the magnificent view, the cityscape bathed in the soft glow of the setting sun. The Eiffel Tower, she realizes, is more than just a structure of iron and steel. It is a beacon of inspiration, a symbol of human ingenuity, and a testament to the enduring allure of Paris. It is a bridge that connects the past with the present, a conduit through which the city's heart beats. As she takes in the panoramic view of Paris from the Eiffel Tower, she realizes she's just begun her journey through the city of love and lights. She is ready to explore the romantic Seine, the artistic soul, the Parisian palette, and ultimately, the quintessential Parisian experience. But for now, she simply stands there, at the top of the Eiffel Tower, captivated by the enchanting beauty of Paris. From the heights of the Eiffel Tower, she set her sights on the Seine, the lifeline of Paris. The river, winding through the city like a silken ribbon, invited her to see Paris from a different perspective. She decided to embark on a boat ride, a picturesque journey through the city's heart. As the boat smoothly glided on the Seine, she marveled at the majestic bridges arching overhead. Each one held centuries of stories, whispered in the stone and iron. Pont Neuf, the oldest standing bridge across the river, drew her attention with its elegant simplicity, a testament to the timeless allure of Paris. Her eyes then fell upon the beautiful architecture lining the river, a visual symphony of different epochs. Gothic cathedrals stood shoulder to shoulder with classical facades and modern glass structures. This architectural tapestry was more than just bricks and mortar. It was a chronicle of Paris's evolution, a testament to the city's resilience and creativity. As the sun began to set, the city transformed into a romantic painting. The soft glow of the sinking sun painted the sky in hues of pink and orange, casting a warm light on the river. The Seine mirrored this spectacle, turning into a shimmering canvas that reflected the city's charm. The lively riverbanks were a theater of Parisian life. Couples strolled hand in hand, artists set up their easels, and friends gathered around picnic baskets. The air was filled with laughter, music, and the enticing aroma of nearby cafes. It was an enchanting tableau of life in Paris, a city where romance and camaraderie were as perennial as the river itself. As the boat ride drew to a close, she felt a profound sense of awe and affection for Paris. The city had unfolded before her eyes, revealing its layers of history, its vibrant life, and its indefatigable spirit. The Seine had been more than just a river. It had been a guide, a storyteller, a friend. As the boat ride ends, she feels a deeper connection with Paris, a city that beautifully blends history with the rhythm of modern life. Leaving the Seine behind, she steps into Paris's artistic soul, its world-renowned museums and galleries. Stepping into the grandeur of the Louvre, she finds herself immersed in a sea of art and culture that spans centuries. The museum, which is the largest of its kind in the world, is a testament to the city's enduring love for all things creative. It houses an impressive collection of over 35,000 artworks, each piece telling a unique story. She finds herself captivated, drawn into the narratives etched into canvas and carved from stone. As she navigates through the vast corridors of the Louvre, she feels the weight of history around her, a rich tapestry of human creativity that has been woven over millennia. Each room she enters is a new chapter in this story, a showcase of the collective imagination of countless artists from all corners of the globe. From the classical beauty of the Louvre, she moves to the modern marvel that is Centre Pompidou. This vibrant hub of contemporary art is a stark contrast to the historic grandeur of the Louvre, yet it shares the same heart, the same passion for artistic expression. Here, she is greeted by a riot of colors, a kaleidoscope of thought-provoking installations and abstract masterpieces. Each piece challenges her perceptions, evokes a reaction, and sparks a dialogue within her. The city's love for art, she realizes, is not just about preserving the old, but also about embracing the new, about pushing boundaries and constantly redefining what art can be. It is this balance between tradition and innovation, between history and the contemporary, that gives Paris its unique artistic soul. Stepping out of the hallowed halls of art, she carries with her a newfound appreciation for Paris's deep-rooted love for creativity and expression. Now, she ventures into the culinary realm of Paris, a city known for its gastronomic delights. She steps into a Parisian bistro, met with a mix of scents. Freshly baked baguettes, simmering sauces, and brewing coffee create a sensory symphony. Her eyes scan the vibrant bistro, absorbing the Parisian food culture. A sense of kinship pervades the establishment as patrons break bread together, share meals, and find solace in good company. This scene illustrates the French's deep-rooted love for food. Eager to join this culinary journey, she orders a selection of French classics. Escargot is up first. These snails steeped in garlic butter deliver an unexpected balance of flavors. Next, the croissant, a tribute to local ingredients and culinary. As her journey in Paris comes to an end, she reflects on her unforgettable experiences. Her heart still beats to the rhythm of the Eiffel Tower's twinkling lights, a testament to the city's architectural marvels. Towering over the cityscape, it stands not just as a symbol of Paris, but as a beacon of inspiration, just as it did for Gustave Eiffel, its creator. It's a reminder that beauty and strength can coexist, and that the sky is truly the limit. Her soul, however, was stirred by the romantic Seine. The river, like a silver ribbon, weaves through the city, whispering stories of love and life. Its banks have seen countless romantic escapades, witnessed stolen kisses, and cradled lovers in its serene ambiance. The Seine is not just a river, it's the lifeblood of Paris, pulsating with the city's heartbeat. Yet, her mind was captivated by the artistic soul of Paris. From the hallowed halls of the Louvre to the bohemian corners of Montmartre, the city breathes art. It's in the brushstrokes of Monet, in the sculptures of Rodin, and in the street art that adorns the city's walls. Art in Paris is not restricted to galleries. It lives and thrives in every nook and cranny of this magnificent city. And then, there was the food. Her palate was treated to the gastronomic delights of Paris. From the buttery croissants to the rich bouillabaisse, every bite was an ode to the city's love for food. The aroma of freshly baked baguettes wafting through the streets, the charm of the bistros, and the elegance of the Michelin-starred restaurants all added to the culinary adventure. Indeed, the city's charm, its vibrant life, and the unique experiences it offers have left an indelible mark. Each memory is a thread in the intricate tapestry of her Parisian journey, a journey that has been nothing short of magical. As she bids adieu to Paris, she takes with her not just memories but a piece of Paris forever etched in her heart.